Hello and welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ करण सरीन. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're a subscriber, welcome. See just how एक सब्सक्राइब से आपको एक क्यूट, क्रीपी और प्यारी सी वेलकम विश मिल सकती है. तो प्लीज कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग टू माय चैनल. आज मैं एक बहुत ही स्पेशल वीडियो के साथ आया हूँ आपके पास. क्योंकि मेरे पास है क्या, कटरीना कैफ ने मुझे भेजा है पीआर पैकेज. आई मीन के ब्यूटी मार्केटिंग टीम ने, बट आई वुड लाइक टू बिलीव इट्स कटरीना कैफ बिकॉज why not? I'm gonna tell you the craziest thing, okay? I don't know how this manifestation works. I've been trying, failing, succeeding, but mostly failing. Last year, my vision board had Katrina Kaif ki photo, and I wanted to meet her real bad because like I'm a super fan. But like a lot of things last year, वो भी नहीं हो पाया, तो I was very upset, and I shared it on my story also on Instagram, and I was like, देखो देखो लोग विजन बोर्ड की कितनी बातें करते हैं, मेरा तो कुछ भी सच नहीं हुआ, ज्यादातर लाइक 70% तो उसमें से कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. एंड देन कटरीना कैफ से भी नहीं मिल पाया, विच वाज लाइक माय गोल फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स. ये सब ढकोसले हैं, चोचले, मुझे नहीं समझ में आते ना, मैं आगे से करूंगा ये विजन बोर्ड वाली बकवास. 3 days later this came in my mail and I don't know what to make of it. Like, it's not Katrina Kaif, but it's a sign. I would like to believe this is a sign that it's gonna happen very soon. And of course, this is a big deal for me because I've been into makeup for like almost 2 years now. I've been wanting to work with K Beauty in some capacity, and I think this is a good start. So yes, this is my first PR package from K Beauty, and I really hope there are many. So let me show you everything that's inside this bag. So first we have the eyeshadow brush kit. There are 3 brushes inside: packing, blending, and liner brush. Then we have the Lash Maximizer Mascara. I've heard a lot of things about this, ki how it's just like one swipe wonder. We'll find out. Then there is the Intense Black Kajal Eyeliner Duo, and really excited for this one. I don't know if I'm using today because I can't really see properly without my chashma, and it takes me a lot of effort to apply liner. So if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna be very scared कि मेरा बाकी का makeup ना खराब हो जाए. You know what I mean, just general liner problems. But we'll try. No promises. Last, we have these 2 eyeshadow palettes which were recently launched: Outshine and Manifest. Manifest it. The packaging is very luxe. That's what I want to say. So pretty. Can you see the K embossed in all the matte shades? It's really pretty. And I like the shades. They're very like Princess Pop. I do get this question sometimes from my friends or from people who like I generally meet, and we talk about these things that why Katrina Kaif, like why I'm such a big fan. I mean, what's not to like? I think people tend to forget she was the it girl back in first decade of the 2000s, and then even the second decade, the 2010s. She was ruling in and out, and she still is the it girl. Like, she's never come down, and now she's a businesswoman. She's a CEO, honey. She has given us bangers like Sheila Ki Jawani, Chikni Chameli, Kamli, for heaven's sake. I remember I used to perform Kamli so much in college that I was literally just like, you know, people would stop me like from my class as randomly. Nahi. ऐसे मेरे classmates would stop me, they would call me inside the classroom and they'd be like, एक कमली पे डांस करके दिखा ना, हमने सुना तू कमली पे डांस करता है. And honestly, I really used to eat it. Not more than Katrina did in Dhoom 3, but yeah, still like somewhere. Mother, I'm on the same track. Concealer and the foundation are K Beauty only. I've been using these for a long time now. Very sheer coverage, very glowy look it gives me after, and doesn't feel overpowering, doesn't feel very thick or anything. I just really enjoy it. It's a good foundation. Speaking of Sheila Ki Jawani, I think Sheila Ki Jawani came out when I was in 12th. No, 11th. Yes, 11th. And it was such a rage back then. And honestly, it's still such a bop. But truly what made it iconic, of course, Sunidhi Chauhan's voice, but Farah Khan and the choreography she gave Katrina Kaif and how Katrina did it. Like, Sheila Ki Jawani remains one of my top favorite, I don't want to say item numbers, but you know, like performative songs or whatever you want to call them. It remains on top. Like, Sheila really ate Munni back then, so that's saying something. Honestly, I feel very sad taking the product because it's so beautifully embossed, but okay, whatever, I suppose. अखियां दे मोहल्ले में हर शाम तेरा आलम शब गुजरी ते जग सोया नी मैं जगया न मैदानम. I really like these brushes so far. They're doing the job well, and I don't want to say more unnecessarily. मैं क्यों बोलते जाऊँ जब कहाँ से बनाऊँ बातें. It's nice though. I like it. But you know what I really really like? I like the fact that शब गुजरी ते जग सोया नी मैं जगया न मैदानम. Usually more Surila than that, so we will believe me, okay? मैं और मेकअप लगा कर आती हूँ. Honestly, I don't understand the hate that Tees Markha got, because to me it was a fun movie. I like Happy New Year also. I like that kind of movies only. Farah Khan movies, sign me up for it. First day, first show, मैं जाऊँगा पैसे खर्च के, क्योंकि Farah Khan just knows how to have fun. And honestly, I also want to have fun in life. I want to learn how to have fun. Why is nobody fun? Why are we not having fun? Honestly, मुझे ना black eyeshadow use करने से थोड़ा सा डर लगता है. I won't lie, because it's very unforgiving. But I've used very little here, and it's also blended well. So I think it's just a matter of patience and technique and good brushes. That was the point I was trying to make. Good brushes. Thanks. I think मुझे ये लगानी चाहिए because this is more safe, but I want to do this. So let's do more chum chum. I just hope ये सही रहे, क्योंकि अभी मैं उतना धुरंधर मेकअप आर्टिस्ट तो नहीं हूँ जिसको पता हो कि ये सब ठीक कैसे करना है. I think it's not bad. It's a good color. It's shining really beautifully. It's shining in this setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and feel. My friend Sunny, who came to visit me last year, sent me an invite of K-Beauty event that was happening in Mumbai. And he also told me that he is going. So if I want to come, I can be his plus one. But it was a little last minute. And when I saw the ticket prices to Mumbai, they were like 15K one side. So I was like, honey, I don't think this could happen. He said, are you sure you want to miss it? Because Katrina might be coming. And I was like, पैरों में बंधन है मजबूरियों के. And I didn't go. And Katrina really came. And that was just a knife to my heart, because I was so upset that I couldn't be there. And I couldn't meet her, because if I would have been there, there would probably be like 40-50% chances that I would get to meet her. And I was just like, Arey bhai, what the hell? Like, what the real hell am I living in? Hoping that I get to meet Queen Cat soon. Manifesting. And now we are using the Lash Maximizer Mascara. The bottle is really pretty. I hope the product is too. I don't know if you can see the difference, but it's so nice. I'm just gonna cry. It's nice. It's giving that fluff to my lashes that I've always needed. You know, that sassy fluff that people have with their eyelashes are like this, like it's a nail tech se eyelashes kara ke aati and then they're ready to fight, they're ready to cut a biatch. I feel like that. Honey, security. If you think you can come for me, you better check your lipstick before that, huh? Sorry, some people who are just coming from the cooking videos are thinking, what did I sign up for? And here is the final look. So now, do we like it? Do we love it? Do we somewhere in between at least? I like this look. It's subtle, but it's also glam. And it has the black eyeshadow, which I've, you know, mostly stayed away from. But I was like, let's go for it today. And I'm feeling it. Honestly, I'm feeling it. And I just want to say to myself that you're perfect, you're beautiful, you look like Linda Evangelista, you're a model. Everything about you is perfect. Did you stone those tights? If you get that reference, we are besties. We are best buds, okay? And if you don't get that reference, we are still friends. Just subscribe kar lena. That's just small tiny detail in between. I forgot to tell. Subscribe. Katrina Kaif, if you're by chance watching, Delulu. I just want you to know that I'm a big fan, huge. actually. And I love you, I stan you, I will keep standing you, and I will keep defending you if ever need be. Biatches, beware. And if you guys are watching यहाँ तक इतनी दूर तक, तो please like, share and subscribe कर देना. मेरा भला हो जाएगा और तुम्हारा कुछ भी नहीं जाएगा, literally कुछ भी नहीं जाएगा. You can just subscribe guys, subscribe, like, comment, कुछ, what does it take? Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what I should do next. And if you want more of this chaos, I loved it, I enjoyed it, and I would love to make more for you guys. So let me know how did you like it and what do you want to see next. Okay, bye.